Okay, this is the second video for the Chapter 4 opener notes. We're going to find the volume. Okay, so this first problem says find the volume of a rectangular prism with length of 10, width of 4, and height of 5 centimeters. Well, we first need to go over our volume formulas. So for a prism, it's length times width times height. For a cube, it's side cubed, side cubed, which is also length times width times height. They're just all the same. For a sphere, it's 4/3 pi r cubed. And a cylinder is pi r squared times the height. Now, big ideas, when they use pi for the answers in the practice, they will type in, instead of pi into the calculator, they put 3.14, which is not what we normally do. But just so you know, when you're working on the practice, plugging that in your calculator, use 3.14 for pi. So your answers match up with big ideas answers. All right, let's go back to the prism and use length times width times height. So for our volume, length, width, and height, let's first draw our picture of what we're talking about. I like to label things and be very visual. So here is my prism. Okay, it could look more perfect, but I'm sorry. All right, the length is 10, the width is 4, the height is 5. Okay, so I'm going to multiply those all together. And I get 200. And my units would be centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's what you're going to do when solving for volume. So a reminder of your formulas, you might want to write them down in your notes if you haven't already, and use 3.14 for pi. Now go to the practice and do numbers 7 through 10, and where it's needed, round to the 100th place, which is 2 decimal places.